Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lennar Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in lennarmortgage.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Lennar Mortgage. Now, in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner and then click on Manage Your Loan Application. You will now be taken into the login portal within which you will need to enter your credentials. Type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username section and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Lennar Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or your username, you can click on the respective buttons right underneath the login box and you will be allowed to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Lennar Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.